Hello everyone and welcome back to my CCNA course. In today's lesson we have this scenario and we're going to create three different pools, pool 1, 2 and 3, and we're going to have one DHCP server for all of them. So let's get started. So we just assign IPs first. First one, we're gonna go into this one. We say IP address. So we just turned it on. And second, we're gonna go with this. And now no shut. We're not gonna assign IP to the third one, so we just left this port shut. So now we're gonna do this. Interface give Ethernet 0/3/0. 8.10.1. All right. So we just assigned IPs to this and this one. So now we're gonna create the three DHCP pools. First we're gonna go interface 0/3/0 IP address 268.10.2. Now I forgot the subnet mask. And now we say no shut. We just turn it on, and now we're gonna create DHCP pool. For example, 1, we say network. We're gonna have this one. 192.168.10, and this we're gonna set default router. It's gonna be 192.168.11, and the DNS is gonna be this one. Now we create the second pool, IP DHCP pool 2. I'm gonna say network 192.168.20. Default route is gonna be 192.168.2.1, and the DNS server is gonna be 8. And the last pool, this is going to be network 3. Default route is going to be, DNS server is going to be this, and the default router is going to be 3.1. And from this one we need to add 3 IP routes, 3 default static routes. We say IP route 192.168. This network is going to be 10. With this subnet mask goes through this port, and this port is 192.168.10.1. Say 192.168.10.1. I'm gonna do the same for this row. I'm gonna say 2, and for the last one it's gonna be 3. So that's it. Now we're gonna need to set IP route, the reverse one, 68 10.0. This subnet mask goes through this port, and that's going to be 10.2. So that's it. This should be fail. One more time. As you can see, we just got DHCP fail. So what are we going to do now? We're going to go to this router. We're going to type IP helper address. In the default, we're going to have to go through this port. We say interface, go with Ethernet 0/2. Now in here, we're going to say IP helper address, get IP from this port, and this port is 10.2, 192.168.10.2. And now we're going to exit, go to the other interface. These two pools need to get IP from this DHCP server. So we say interface, go with Ethernet 0/1. 0/1 needs to get IP from IP helper address 192.168.10.2. So now let's check. First time gonna be fail, I guess. Second time this should work. So as you can see, successfully got IP. And the other one, DHCP request successful. So as you can see, how did this PC and this one know what pool they should get IP from? For understanding that, we're gonna set up this one. First, we're gonna turn on this port. As you can see, this is off. It is shut down. I'm gonna say interface gigabit Ethernet 0/0, no shot. And we're gonna go and say IP helper address 192.168.10.2. This port, right? So now let's check if this works. I did something on purpose. So as you can see, DHCP failed. Why? Because this default gateway doesn't have IP address. This is how a PC knows which pool they should get IP from. So this port, if I set IP, for example, 192.168 to, for example, 5 here, they get IP from pool 2. But now I want this PC to get IP from pool 3. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add IP address 192.168.3.1. So I just set IP address for this port. So now it'll get IP. See, This just worked. Let me check something. If I change IP from 3.1 to, for example, 2.10, see, it overlaps because every port of a router should have different network, different subnet. So that's it. We just did DHCP practice. Let's check something more here. Let's fix this. We just with this. So this PC, okay, this works fine. We're gonna check something. We can say show IP DHCP bindings. This has bug. This doesn't work, but it should. But it should say that 3 PCs just got IP from this router. So that's it, guys. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to this channel. And thank you for watching. I'll hope I see you in the next video. Goodbye.